Hello everyone, I am Payal from UJ Software and Solutions. Today I will provide you the briefly demonstration of the Tally on Cloud and admin panel. So this is our URL through which our cloud is login, and from this portal you can also download the icon of the cloud by which you can quickly and easily access our cloud. So we are providing here the three login. Firstly, the web login, remote login, and the admin panel. Admin panel is for admin user only. So firstly, I will show you the admin panel. As we are logging into the admin panel, the first we will see the dashboard. In the dashboard, the account details will be shown. Your account name, subscription form, users plan, Tally version which you are using, and one-click export. When export into a local is enabled, the export data will directly download to your local system. By this option, if you are exporting anything from the Tally, it will directly export into the local system. Then we are having Tally management. If there is a latest version in the Tally, you can directly upgrade your Tally from here by clicking OK. Within a minute, you can upgrade the Tally. All the version. If you want to downgrade your Tally, you can downgrade from here. Reactivate your license, Tally license from here. If your Tally is showing education mode, then you can directly active your license from here. Then we are having user management. In the user management option, you will get to know how many users are there and their status, their last login date, and to reset the password. If user has forgot their password, you can reset from here. If you want to force log out any of the user, you can directly log out from here. If you want to forcefully log out all the users, you can directly log out by clicking here by force log out all the users from the cloud. Then we are having backup and restore option. We are getting 3 times a backup a day, and up to 7 days of the backup we are giving. Through here you can directly restore the previous days data on the from cloud to your system. Then we are having configuration. This is basically the security based IP restriction. You can enable from the here. Then Bees Analyst create few these applications also we are providing, but you can directly enable by enabling this option. These applications will directly show in your cloud. Login alert. If you want to get notified which user has login at what time, you will get it notified by via mail. So this is basically the admin panel. And then we are having remote login and the web login. There are three differences in web login and a remote login. First is the upload, download, and the copy paste. In web login, we have done customization of upload and download, and in remote login, we are doing copy paste. Then secondly, the printer. We in web login we are using universal printer, and in remote login we are using a virtual printer. And if you are using DSC, that is digital signature, then you have to do remote login. In web login it is not working. Then I will show the interface of the web login. So this is the interface of the web login. Here we have provided the option here from PC to server. If you want anything from local to your server, that is cloud, then you can directly get it from here by selecting anything from the local system, and it will directly store in desktop folder. If you want anything from the cloud to your local system, then right click here, download option will be there, then directly it will go and download into your local system. Then we have configure the file manager folder also in the Tally. If you are taking any default Tally backup, it will be stored here. There is a data folder also. Then Excel, if you are importing anything from the Tally, it will store here. Then we are having restore option. If you are restoring the previous day's backup, then it will directly restore it here. Uh, then this is the web login. Then I'll show the interface of the remote login, that is desktop login. So this is the remote login where you can see your desktop screen also through same options. Here we have given the printer options that your local printer is active or not. You can able to see this. And if you are using DSC, that is a digital signature, then you have to use a remote login. So basically this is our cloud, the admin panel, and the login we provided. Thank you.